Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. This is Jitavo. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how we can download and install Autodesk AutoCAD LT and get student license free for 1 year. And you can download between AutoCAD LT 2018, AutoCAD LT 2019, AutoCAD LT 2020 and AutoCAD LT 2021, whichever version your computer supports. And if you want AutoCAD LT subscription, we will see from where you can buy it and what is AutoCAD LT's price. And finally, we will take a quick tour of AutoCAD LT and briefly know about the interface. So what AutoCAD LT is, you can say a lighter version of AutoCAD, which is basically used to produce 2D drawings and documentation and doesn't have any 3D tools unlike in AutoCAD. So the basic difference between AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT is that AutoCAD LT is AutoCAD minus several functions. So without further ado, let's open the Chrome browser and then type AutoCAD LT for students in the search bar. And then hit enter. Then simply click on the first link. Then click on sign in. So we need to sign into our account now. And for those who didn't know how to create a student account and what documents to upload for that, I have already made a tutorial on that. I have provided the link for that in the I button. So whoever is interested can watch that. So here it is. Autodesk is greeting you. Now scroll down. And here are all the products of Autodesk which you can use for educational purpose. So here you can see AutoCAD LT and AutoCAD LT for Mac. So click on Get Product. From here you can select the version of AutoCAD LT you want to install. AutoCAD LT 2018, AutoCAD LT 2019, AutoCAD LT 2020 and of course the latest 2021. Select language from here. And then you can either click on install or click on the downwards arrow and click on download, and the .exe file starts downloading. So it will take some time to download depending upon the speed of your internet connection. So let me fast forward it. Then just click on this .exe file. Then hit OK. Now it has started extracting the file. Now click on install. Select your country. Then read the agreement if you want to. Click on accept. Hit next. And finally click on install. And then wait till it is installed. Then click on launch now. So here is the welcome screen of Autodesk AutoCAD LT, and then click on start drawing. So this is the interface of AutoCAD LT. Here you won't find any 3D workspace. Here you can see ALT is written, abbreviation for AutoCAD LT. This is the application bar or the application menu. Left click on it and you will find some of the functions which you will find in every application software. You want to create a new drawing. You want to open an existing file, save your file, import or export your drawing. Everything can be done from here. And in the right side is the recent documents you have accessed. Here is options. So click on that and the options window opens. Go to display tab. Click on colors. I'll change the uniform background to black. Then hit apply and close. Then I'll increase the crosshair size to 10, the size of the cursor. Then go to open and save tab. You can change the duration of automatic save. You can lower it down if you want. Then go to user preference tab. Click on right click customization and check the box for the time sensitive right click that enables you to repeat your last command through right clicking. And you can use right click in place of pressing enter. So it's an amazing feature which saves a hell lot of time. Then simply apply again and hit OK. And you can see the crosshair size did increase. And this is the quick access toolbar. You will find the same functions as in the application bar. And you can add any tool to it as well by just right clicking on the tool and adding it to quick access toolbar. Now these are the tabs. and this whole thing is the ribbon, and you can see some partition lines over here. So one line to another line is a panel. So this one is the draw panel, this is the modify panel, this one is the annotation panel, layers panel, different tabs having different panels, and panels consist of different tools. So these are all tools. Now this is the drawing area, and this one is the navigation bar. We can navigate the drawing by using this bar. This is the command line, this is the model space, and these are the layout space where you draft and take prints. And this one is the status bar, having some very important features which we will discuss in some other tutorial. So this is just a short brief about the interface of AutoCAD LT. Getting back to Chrome browser. Now here in the search bar, type AutoCAD LT and hit enter. Here you will find AutoCAD LT's price in dollars. Click on Indian site. So here you will get AutoCAD LT subscription fees in rupees. So you can buy it and use it for commercial purpose. So I'll end the tutorial here. Please hit the like button and share if you like the video, and do subscribe the channel to get AutoCAD and Revit tutorials in civil, mechanical as well as in electrical engineering fields. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.